This video demonstrates how to unpack the Xerox B230 printer. Using a utility knife, cut the tape on the right, top, and left sides of the box. Remove the foam packing. Remove the install guide and power cord. Lift the printer out of the box and place on the desktop. Remove the plastic bag that contains the product safety guide and software CD. Remove the tape from the front and back of the printer. Open the front door. Using the handle, pull the imaging unit out of the printer. Press the blue release handle and lift the toner cartridge out of the imaging unit. Shake the cartridge 6 times to redistribute the toner. Pull the toner seal out of the cartridge. Remove the black protective paper from the photoconductor drum. Remember, do not touch the drum. Insert the toner cartridge into the imaging unit and push down until the cartridge is seated. Insert the imaging unit into the printer and close the door. Remove the paper tray from the printer. Remove the tape from the paper guides. To accommodate paper length, push the blue spring-loaded release tab and pull the paper guide out of the tray. Press the blue tabs and open the paper guides. Fan the paper and ensure the edges align. Place the paper against the front of the tray guide. Adjust the guides to the correct paper position. Insert the paper tray into the printer and close the tray. Connect the power cord to the back of the printer. Then, plug the power cord into a properly grounded electrical outlet. The unpacking of the B230 printer is complete. The Xerox B230 printer Power On and Wi-Fi video shows how to power on the B230 printer and set up Wi-Fi.